This bad boy over here, the Google Pixel 7a, just got its first OTA update almost 12 hours back. So here it is, Android 13 security patch from May 2023, Google Play System update from April 2023. Here is the kernel and the build numbers for those of you who are interested in that. And if I go into settings about phone, here it is, Pixel 7a, and this is super exciting. I have been like testing the phone for the last 12 hours, and I can very happily report that 4K 60 overheating might have been fixed. Let us go into the Photos application, and here is a 30-minute 4K 60 FPS video which I just recorded. No overheating, no camera shutting down, which was happening on the previous build. So I will test it out a wee bit more once the sun comes out outside in hotter temperatures, but indoors 74-75 Fahrenheit. Previously it would overheat maximum after like 14-15 minutes. 30 minutes straight, no overheating, same indoor conditions, 74-75 Fahrenheit. Other than that, I can also confirm that you now have gotten an update for the Photos application as well, and the obvious features which were missing are now present. So you have your magic eraser, unblur, portrait blur, sky mode, and color focus. These are also present, and the camera app also got an update. So here it is. This is the version of the camera app on the Google Pixel 7a after the OTA update, the first OTA update, and we have version 8.9.097. So exciting times ahead, more testing for me to do, but looks like the Google Pixel 7a might be a slam dunk device, except for a few minor drawbacks. Of course, you will have to wait for the full review for that.